City, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kotsi, and I am your host of this beautiful channel. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below with your ideas on what we're doing today. So I'm sure you've seen by the title of this video what we will be doing today. So let me just do the things that need to be done. Anyway, I'll be doing my mom's Mother's Day gift, because this year she was like, I don't want the usual stuff that you guys give me. Come up with a new plan and let's see what you guys can do. And I was like, yeah, no. So I just thought, because I thought about it and I was in my feelings about this gift, I was like, let me share with you guys what I gave my mom for Mother's Day. And maybe it might give you an idea on what to give another person, maybe on their birthday, or an idea for Father's Day, because Father's Day is also still coming, so let's get into the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to click on the notification button. And also, please do follow me on all my social media platforms. On Instagram, it's CEO_Kotsi. On TikTok, I've been on TikTok, just that I haven't been promoting it. On TikTok is @CEO_Kotsi, and on Twitter is @Kotsi. Thank you very much for watching in advance, but thank you very much for watching. So sweetie, I have an old tray that I had in my room and I didn't know what to do with it, so now I'm like, hey, why not make a gift basket with it? So in the gift basket, I have a gift set from Discount. I have some bath salts, I have a mask, and I have some biltong, because my mom has funny enough a sweet and salty taste. So I have some biltong because she loves some biltong, and I have some chocolates because she loves some chocolates. And yeah, for the paper threads, I just took a pink paper and some white paper that I used before, they were written on before, so I just cut them up. And I created these paper threads so that we can have this awesome basket afterwards. For the next gift, I have like a beret that she always wanted. I have like a poncho, and I have some chocolates. And so by the way, the paper bag I had somewhere in my closet, because there's one thing about me, I do not throw away the paper bags because you might need it someday, and today was the day, So you just reuse the paper bags that you once had, and voila, you have the gifts. Sweetie, and I really hope you have an idea on what to do or give another person as a present, maybe on their birthday, maybe on Father's Day, or whatever day it is to them, whether it's your girlfriend, you're just like, baby, appreciation gift, there you go, or you're like, mommy, I love you, man. Here's an appreciation gift. Or for those who are actually going out now and going to purchase your Mother's Day gifts, there's an idea. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye, sweetie.